The 2017 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.